Hello guys and welcome to just a small another video. This is just a no, not the second part, it's a new video. So in the last video I told you guys that I'm gonna be working on my actual headlight pair. So I got these taken apart now, and this is pretty much just gonna show the guys out there that have the DRL headlights. I'm gonna put a picture in here right now. And they break after a while. Like for me it took maybe a month, maybe 2 months, and the lights just stopped working. Like the DRL bar on the bottom, it just stopped working. So I took them apart now and I found out why it happens, and I'm gonna show you that right now. Okay, so here I got the headlight already taken apart for my next build, and this is the DRL bar that I was talking about. And for a lot of people out there, it just stops working. This is the cable that goes through the housing, which I have laying around right here. There's the little hole where these cables come out of. I'm probably gonna make a new hole because I'm gonna redo the whole thing. But yeah, for those people that try to fix these and they don't want to buy new ones, they don't want to spend the money, because this is literally the easiest fix, guys. You don't have to buy anything. All you gotta do is use the heat gun if you don't know how to open these headlights up. I got a video before this video that pretty much shows you how to open these same way. And yeah, this is the back, and this is where the DRL runs on the back. Comes out right here. It's pretty much just an acrylic tube, and this is your issue right here, this little thing. You might have realized when you look at your guys' DRL headlight and you see these screws just flying around in the headlight housing when you have it on your car. That's because these get loose. You have to now fix, I mean, you guys might figure something else out how to tighten these up, but you have to tighten these on the acrylic. You can tighten this with the 2 screws. Now what I would also use is, since the space between here, the housing, and this is not really far, I would get like hot glue, like a hot glue gun, and just glue it on there. You could also do it like right here, because it's pretty much the same thing as the acrylic. It shouldn't take away any of the light. So yeah, this is just a small fix thing for your headlight, how to fix the stupid DRL, which breaks for a lot of people. And the whole Mustang groups, I see a lot of people that say that these break, which they really don't break. These are just, I guess, not screwed tightly on there, and all you gotta do is tighten them back up and maybe put a smudge of hot glue on the sides so it stays. And that's pretty much it, because now also apparently they make these really cheaply. Like this one didn't even have tape. It's supposed to be taped right here. For my other one, it had this I guess it's double-sided tape, and they didn't pull the other side off or something. It really looks like double-sided tape, but it might not be. And it was glued to the underside of the headlight housing. So I would suggest running the cable through a different hole, because right now it is running through the bottom of the headlight. I would just run it somewhere different. But yeah, my next video, when I'm gonna build these headlights, I'm gonna show you. I will probably not use these white headlights, LEDs. I'm gonna use RGB LEDs, so the tube can be in any color I want it to be. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this small update video. Just a small video on how to repair this stupid bar, because why would you buy it and then accept that it doesn't work? This is pretty much an easy fix. Unless you're still in your under 30 days, you just return it to your eBay or Amazon seller and get a new pair, like I had to do with my first pair, because they already came shipped and you can hear it rattling. So as soon as you get these headlights and they rattle out of the box, send it right back. It doesn't work, because this is directly fell off and wasn't tight enough. So yeah, that is it. I hope you liked this, guys. Share it with your friends if they have the same problem with the DRL, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.